How to open or log in TikTok account in another phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So logging into TikTok account in another phone is very simple. All you have to do is use that TikTok account credentials in your new device. After you use that in new device, all your datas that are your posts will be transferred automatically, but what you have to keep in mind is that the drafts will not be transferred. So in order to transfer drafts, what you will have to do is open TikTok, go to profile and post all your drafts to private account, and after that drafts videos will also be transferred to your new device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.